Hey, Sonja Rankin here, aka Admin Sonja, and we're going to get into the events happening this weekend. So let's check it out. So, one of the events we have is the Emerald Coast Boat and Lifestyle Show, and this is over in Panama City at Pier Park. And this is going to be March 3rd through the 5th at 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. So I think this is going to be a really great event with lots of fun things to do there. And who doesn't want to learn about our lifestyle? It's pretty great over here. Another one you must check out tomorrow, Saturday at 10 a.m. is the Chautauqua Winery St. Patrick's Day celebration. And this is at the Chautauqua Winery over in Definiak Springs, Florida. Beautiful winery, amazing muscadine wine. You must check it out. Then we have the second annual chili cook-off over in Miramar Beach. You can check that out. Details are here on Facebook. Also tomorrow, Saturday, is going to be the third annual spring crawfish boil. And that's going to be over at St. Michael's Brewing Company. So check that out. Then we have the 2023 Spring Destin Food Truck Festival over at the Maddie Kelly Arts Foundation. That is going to be a lot of fun. So Saturday, it's starting Sunday, at 11 a.m. So that's this Sunday, 11 a.m. But yeah, those are our events, but I wanted to share something special. So I just got this listing up and running. So this is an active listing right now in Niceville, Florida. So check that out. Let's see if I can make it full. So check out this place. You are right on this lake. There's a huge amount of lake frontage, one of the largest lake frontages of the neighborhood. And this is over in Palm Estates, no HOA fees, but check out this beautifully fully renovated home. So that's the kitchen inside. That's your view from your private dock. That is the home right there. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1680 square feet. Wide open concept, a very modern wood fireplace, a large front porch, a large screened in back porch. And I mean, this place just goes on for days. Check out how beautiful this kitchen is. All steel appliances. It comes with a wine cooler as well. Your dining area over here, the sellers put in these custom built-ins. They're wonderful. Lots of storage. Here's bedroom number 1. This is your master bathroom. That's your master bedroom with a sliding glass door with your private entrance to the back porch, and also you can get to the lake from there. That is your master shower, your master closet. Over here we have bedroom number 2 and your guest bathroom with a shower tub combination. I love that tile. Bedroom number 1 over here. And you've got your little workshop back here. This has electric, which is great. This is the house. You got all this. This is your huge backyard, and then your private dock and this access to this lake. I've already been fishing out there. Word on the street is the neighbor caught a really big fish, so I've just been trying to see if I can get myself a bass out there. Look how big this backyard is. This is a beautiful big backyard. It has a beautiful big front yard too. But my photographer is amazing. He got this amazing picture from the middle of the lake to show how much frontage you have. All of this goes with the house, all that frontage. And they just put up this new fence to protect the backyard or the lake area. And you've got your fire pit. And the fence up front, on both sides up front, is brand new. But that's it. That's the place. That is 324 St. Andrews Drive in Niceville, Florida. But this is my Rankin's Fun List. This is something that I update every month, and this has additional events if you're looking for something else to do. So the link to that beautiful home in Niceville, Florida, that is for sale currently, is up, and we're actually going to do a St. Patrick's Day themed open house, and that's going to be tomorrow from 11 until 1. But this is Rankin's Fun List. This is all the fun things that I've collected that I really think would be great to do this month, and I update it throughout the month with new events that are closer to the time period we're in. And I recommend restaurants that I've come to love, and suggestions to try, places to get romantic dinners, a VA buying guide if you're looking to buy a home, and then some real estate stuff. There's a advertisement for that open house that I'll be having tomorrow. Then some fun stuff. And this right here, this is the best of the Emerald Coast. This is my real estate, not my real estate, but this is my local best of page. So this shares all the fun things and places I love. all the springs in the area, which ones are my favorite, great places to eat, great things to do, parks, where the best zoos are, where the best aquariums are. All of that is right here on my channel, my YouTube channel. You click any of this and it'll get you right to my YouTube channel with multiple videos about great things, where to get a great prime rib, where to get oysters that are shucked, raw oysters, which is not always easy to find, but I've got it there. As we continue on, there's more events with little flyers, and you can check those out to see if there's anything you might like to do. Come join me. I'm going to go do this year. Every year we go to the McGuire's Irish Pub 5K over in Pensacola. It's a little bit of a drive. I think it's around $45 or so right now to register. You get a free shirt. And you go, you can walk or you can run. We walk it. We've got some kids in our group, but we've got a big group going this year, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So check that out if you'd like to. It's always a really good time. If you want to build a home, I've got some land lots listed for sale. We've got a featured home of the month right here. This is my good friend, her listing, and I wanted to help her promote it because this is just a beautiful place, and I'd love to bring a buyer for it. If you're thinking about selling or if you're thinking about buying, there's a free list of homes for sale if you didn't like any of these ones that I shared with you. Or if you want to know what the value or what your home could bring in this current market, I can work up a CMA for you. Anyway, the fun stuff is all right here, though. If you're not interested in the real estate stuff, skip on by that foolishness. But check out some of these restaurants. Like Crackings is really good. A great place to get some brunch and mimosas if you're into that. Basil and Baxter over here in Niceville is a great place to get some dinner. But we've got all kinds of options for you, and I hope you go and have some fun this weekend. If you're around town in Niceville, you're welcome to swing by our open house. I've got Desiree with me this weekend, and Desiree's an amazing lender, so she's going to be there. She's bringing some flyers, and she's going to be there to sit the open house with me. So if you're interested in checking it out, swing on by, say hi, even if it's just a pop in. If you're a real estate agent, welcome. Come on in, take a promotional video. We'd love to have you. You're always welcome, regardless of whatever brokerage you're with. I like to support my fellow agents, and if you're just looking for a place or you just want to be a nosy neighbor, come on, check it out. It's a cool place, and we'd love to have you. It always lifts up our spirits to not have an empty open house. So come check it out. Go have fun this weekend, regardless of what you do. Get out from between these four walls and go outside, have some fun, even if it's just sitting by a window. All right, bye, guys. I am Sonja Rankin, a.k.a. Admin Sonja, a.k.a. Realtor Rankin. Thanks for watching.